Hello, my English 111 students. Shaw Online, spring semester 2019. Hope you are doing well. So, it is the week of January 21st. Yes, January 21st is Martin Luther King Day. The school is closed. So this video, you don't have to watch it on the 21st. The assignments are still going to be due on the 25th, but please take the day off. If you're watching this on the 21st, if that's your choice, great. But there is no school in session, but online we just keep plugging away. Okay, just so we're clear on that. So what are we going to be doing for this week? Well, you're watching this video right now, and we get to learn about narration. Yay, narration and description. And we get to watch the first paper that we're going to be writing for this class. So once you're done watching this video, then you're going to watch this lecture on narration, which basically explains the basics. It's just basically telling a story, how to write a story. Description is a tool that we use in writing narration. And then paper one, this explains how we are going to actually be writing paper one. It breaks it down, explains it. The actual assignment right here is narration paper one. If you click on that, it'll download or open. This is the things that, again, that's all explained in the narration paper, but there's also that link as something to help you. And then the deliverable, the thing you have to turn in by Friday, January 25th, is the topic. So using Microsoft Word, you're going to upload a paper. So what you're going to do is, after you've 300 words, minimum 300 words, for this assignment, explain the event you're going to write about. You're going to be writing a story. So figure out which story you're going to be writing about. And again, this will explain kind of the parameters of the story. So you just have to explain what event you're going to be and why it's important for you to share. So minimum of 300 words. So what I would do if I were you is watch this video, watch this video, watch this video, review the narrative paper, and then you're going to write on a Word document, a minimum of 300 words, which event you want to write about and why it's important to share. When you're done writing that as a Word document, you save it, you open this up, and there's the rubric of how you get graded. You hit Add Submission, and then you would either drag or drop your file right here, or you can click on here and find the file. Again, it needs to be as a Word document. I don't have Microsoft Word. Well, yes, you do. Okay, or yes, you can get it. So if you go back to the beginning of the top of the page here, you'll note right here, did you know that you can get Microsoft Word for free as a student? Simply do a Google search for how to get Microsoft free as a student, and use your Shaw email address, and then you can download it. If you need help with that, please contact the Writing Center or contact IT, but that is just something that is available for you. I need to have you submit stuff in Microsoft Word because that way I can open the file and actually read them. Okay, so to sum up for January 21st, again, you have the 4 videos to watch. None of them are super long. Then you're going to start thinking about what you're going to write your paper on, and by Friday, January 25th, you're going to start writing. You're going to write just what you're going to write your paper about, why it's important. Also note that there is some readings in Odigia, which basically is, again, what you're going to think. It's kind of like coming up with ideas. Again, the link to Odigia is found at the top of the page, whereas digital textbook, Odigia, you click here to get to Odigia. So that's what's happening for the week of January 21st. Again, remember that no late work is assignment, so if you have not completed this by Friday, January 5th by 11:55 p.m., you will get a 0 on this assignment. Okay, there you go. Now, go get it done.